As you all know, I already prepped my eyes and did my brows before, I recorded. But hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So this video will be a Valentine's get ready with me makeup look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So for the first shade, I'm going with my Juvia's Play 3 palette, using that shade up there. As y'all see, I don't got my stuff with me, but yeah, I'm just using that shade, and I'm going to pack that above the crease and all over the lid with my M513 brush. And y'all, just to let y'all know, my hair was kind of all over the place because I didn't have time to put no rollers in my hair because I got school and I got work, and I just ain't have time to take care of myself. But I just did what works, what I can go with. And plus, most of the time my hair be looking good when it's messy anyway, because I always wear my hair out all the time. Using the same brush, I'm using that pink shade, and that's going to be my transition color. And yes, I cleaned off the brush just using my brush cleaner. Now I'm using that purple shade from my Morphe James Charles palette, using the M433 brush, and I'm going to pack that all over my crease on both lids. I keep on packing it on so I can get the purple as dark as I can to give it a real vampy effect, but still, give that Valentine Day vibe to it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying it so far, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss an upcoming video. Now I'm cutting my crease with my Morphe M167 brush using concealer, and this concealer is from the beauty supply store. But you guys, I will list everything that I've used on my face in the description box below, so you can know if you're interested in purchasing it, or if you're just curious on what I use. But yeah, I'm just cutting my crease halfway, not full, but you'll see as I'm doing it. Then I'm just going to set my crease with that MAC brush to prep it for the next eyeshadow colors I'm going to use for a smoother application, of course. And I hope you all like this look so far. It's really nice. And then yeah, I'm going in with that purple shade that I use for my crease with that Morphe brush. look very closely, I'm going in with that hot pink shade from the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to carve that on the crease, leaving a little white line above the crease, closer to the edge. And just be careful and not try to get any other product on that line. Just make it a nice, sharp, and smooth line. And you want to keep packing on that pink to make the pink very bright as you can. Now I'm just going to get this loose pigment glitter from Naked Cosmetics. I'll put the link in the description of the color name. And I'm just getting a small definer brush. And any small definer brush is fine. And just carving that on that line, just shaping it with the line to make it bright and pretty. And then I done messed up a little bit with this whole eyeshadow look, but I kept going back in and fixing my flaws with this look. But yeah, y'all will see at the end with the final look. So this is the final eyeshadow look, but this ain't the full look yet because I still got to put my face on and then, you know, go back in with the under eyes. But I don't know why I be looking so mean. But yeah, right here I'm just going in with my full face routine. I'm not going to show the full detail of my full face. Like, I have other videos of my full face, but I'll put everything that I use on my face in the description box, like I said earlier in the video, if you all are curious on what I use and stuff. But if you like to see like another full face video or whatever, like, I guess you can just comment down or just simply go in my bio and see all the previous videos of me doing a full face. And I hope y'all have subscribed and liked this video by now if you're all still here, because simply you liked this video. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share to your friends, family, neighbor, whoever. And so you can see more makeup videos, and I do hair videos as well because I'm natural. I like makeup and all that. So yeah. Yep, to complete the eye makeup, I just used that purple shade I used in my crease and going in with that hot pink shade towards the tear duct. Finish, I set my face and put on some highlighter, then I did my lips. I put all that stuff in the bio or description box, of course. And yep, I did my hair and stuff. It ain't done, but I did something. And now this is the final look, and I hope that I have taught you all something, and maybe I've inspired you to do something similar to this look for Valentine's Day, or just to make an upcoming video to, you know, put some more flavor to your content, because yeah, that's what I'm here to do. And I hope you all enjoyed it, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll see more upcoming videos. And I'll see you all in the next one.